Hello guys, welcome to this week in my video. For today, I want to talk about my mathematics function. Now, the reason why I'm talking about my mathematics function is because the last time I period my if statements and my else statement. I want to move my switch statements. So, moving to my switch statements, I have to explain a few things like my functions and it. So, to create another my user defined function. But before we do my user defined functions, if I know what user defined is something which I want to create a wega. Before we create such functions, uh, let's look at these functions at no pure association. Ne compiler at no pure compiler kudhara. So let's open up code blocks so that we can start coding and see my mathematical functions which I'm gonna say. So in the meantime, my mathematics okay, yeah, open up. So the first thing, create new project, console project, go C++. Okay, math function. You can give it any name you know kunyora or you can it doesn't matter anything. Okay, so my part is okay. The main.cpp apa panokwanisa kusiyana nezvakanyorwa compiler yako, but I hope you know where main.cpp is, but I will try to make a video inenge yes anenge short main.cpp inenge but okay. So today with my math functions, my mathematics functions and banana square root of a number, squaring a number. So unoona pa calculator pepe. Let's take for example calculator like these ones. These things calculator yako ponera na unoinge iri standard so sorry, you change it woisa pa scientific. So all these things are mathematical functions. Square a number, cubic of a number to the power of a number, the exponential of a number, cos, sine, tan, a number to another to the power of another number. These ones. So all these functions and atida kuona kuti C++ mucompiler yedu inozi code blocks kana kuti C++ anonyorwa sei kana iwe usiri kuda kunyora ako wega anonzi user defined tinongoda kutora mamethod. So what you come here and do, we need to include a header inonzi hash include inonzi math.h. Yes, ndo header yatinofanira kuinclude. Math.h header file remath functions ese. So math functions ako anowanikwa muheader file iroro. Like for example izana cout nana cin vanowanikwa muheader file rinonzi iostream. Kana usina iostream izvi hazvishandi zvona cout cin entry. So the same thing nezvatinoda kuita next. Okay, so let's start by declaring something here. Let's say int num. Yeah, every programmer has their own way of programming. Let's say int num is goes to maybe 9. Let's use 9 and it answer is okay. So let's start by since you said int 9, so let's take for example my mathematical functions here toda kutanga nayo tombotanga kuti toda square a number and it. So kusquare a number kweko tikati 9 squared answer ndi 81. Ndo zvatoda kuona panapa and it. So math.h unoshandisa square, unoshandisa we want to square a number, you say power, right? Then you open bracket, then you put your num here, then comma over to 2. Remember to square to the power 2 and it like this. So it basically means we say number num yako ishi, which is 9 to the power 2 and it. Let's see kuti ndozo inotipeleka now. Yes, the answer is 81. As you have seen per calculator panapa, 81 square root. Okay, let me just put a bit of space here so that zvinge zvichioneka mushe mushe. Okay, sign your button. Okay, answer is equal to 81 like this, right? So that's how you write power. So if you want to put power 3, you can just change there and put 3 up on this part. This one this is a function which takes in 2 variables. So I wrote 2 variables. The first variable ndo iya white int, the second variable ndo yauri kuipasa pana and it power inoenda kuwrite then left kune number yacho yakuda kureisa to the power handiti. So num, which is to the left, and dakuiraisa to the power 3, so which is just the same as saying here kana pari panapa 9 to the power 3, which is this thing cube root. So let's see, this is the same as saying cube root also. Let's see if it is not the correct answer. Okay, there, it's the same. So which basically means what our function is correct. Okay, let's go to another one. So this is how we find a square root or cube root or whatever if you want to raise a number to a power, right? Let's go to the next function, square root. So square root of a number or square root functions, sorry, calculator. Now square root of a number and each square root, where is square root? Okay, I can only find cube root, but it's fine. Square root. Okay, so 2 square root of maybe 2. Okay, that's the square root of 2. This scientific calculator, there is a y there, square root of x. So you first put the number, square root means 2 square, 2, and it then square root of 2, which is 1.4 something something. Let's calculate the same thing here. So here what you do is you say sqrt. Now as you can see, compiler going to property when function on the square root, and it so square root of a function. Let's put in remember to square root jan num, and num wedu ngatimisa kuti 2 inotipa answer yakafanana here neuko. So kuno square root of 2 tautswa ndeichichi. So let's run our program here and see if it known the same answer 1.4. Yes, 1.41. There, that's the same square root. Okay, I made functions here, they're coming out properly. Then exponential, it's quite easy, this one. For exponential, you just come and do the same thing, but on the square root, I will just remove and type exp. So it's raising a number to the exponential calculator. So exponential of a number, so just exponential of 2 e to the 2 will give you something like 7.3 what. Okay, then let's go to the next one, cos, tan, and sine of a number. Like cos is, sorry, in fact, okay, so here with cos, okay, cos, sine, tan. So let's look for them. Where are they? How do we find them? It's the same thing, you just come here and say sine of that number. Let's take sine 90, right? Sine 90, as we all know, it's in radians. Of course, our compiler compiles in radians. Is 0.89 what. Let's compare no, but it's in radians. Then what to this sine 90. Okay, sorry, sine 90. Okay, I think I should start with 90 then sine. Okay, as you can see, the answers are the same, and it is the same thing also occurs banana cos. You just come here and change what it costs. The same thing also, a number to the power, another number, as we have already explained, but that is square our POW, and it, okay. So that's it for my math functions, C++. I hope you guys enjoyed this part. So to end up in next video, about my functions. As you can see, math.h, we don't necessarily know this is what we call a function, and this sign is a function, accept one parameter. As you saw, we have POW, which accepts 2 parameters. But what does this really mean? How do they come up with these programs? So let's write our own, and let's write our own programs and see how do we write functions. Okay, thanks guys for watching. Meet you in the next video about my functions, my user defined functions. Thank you.